Hey guys, it's been a long time. Is it long? No. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Edith, and for those who don't know me, guy, what am I saying? What am I even saying? Let's do it again. Okay, hi guys. Hope you're doing well. My name is Edith, and for those who don't know me, you can also call me the Diamond Girl. Yes. So guys, yani I have disappointments. I have been disappointed. What? I think we need to upgrade now. Imagine I've been filming, as in I've been recording or I've been shooting this video for a long time, and every time I record the video and I edit, guys, imagine I even edit that video. I edit it, and the moment I took my I check that's doing nasema nini, the moment I want to upload that video and I go look for it in my phone, it's not there. Just imagine the video inadisappeanga tu hivyo. I don't know na deletingi saa ngapi, sijui you guys manze. Hapana, first time nilifilm hii video, as in I shot this video like 5 months ago. Then when and I edited the video, right? Yes, I edited the video. Then when it was the day I wanted to upload that video, I went to my videos. I didn't find that video. I didn't find the video. Like seriously, I didn't find the video. I'm not kidding. I looked for it everywhere. I don't know who deleted it. I don't know if I deleted it by mistake. Then I was like, okay, oh, maybe even by the way, sikuwa hata hiyo video sikuwa nimefanya poa hivyo. That's what I told myself, like I didn't give it my best. Now last month, September, I recorded the same video, and here I gave it my best. It was a 2-hour video. No, 1 hour. Yes, 1 hour video. I took my time. I recorded that video. I took my time to edit that video. It took me an hour to edit that video. Then yesterday, when I was looking for the video now to upload it, just guess what happened. Disappointments. Disappointments. When I didn't find the video. I don't know if I deleted it. I don't know. I didn't find the video. Imagine, I didn't find the video. I looked for it like 5 times, 10 times. I didn't find the video. Okay, I think maybe I deleted that video, but my time. I can't imagine. I felt, you guys, I wish you knew how I felt or how I'm feeling right now. So bad. Imagine that. Woo! That video, guys. I just wish you could understand. It took me ages. It took me an hour. It took me, I don't know, to just record that video. It took me hours to just edit that video. Then the video again decided to disappoint me. Or maybe I think, guys, maybe I just need to upgrade. You know, I recorded my phone, edited my phone, uploaded my phone. Maybe I mistakenly deleted the video. I don't know. I really don't know what happened. I really don't know. Guys, that video I gave my best. but it's okay. It's okay. I think I'll have to sit again and redo that video. I think I have to redo that video. But anyways, guys, I hope you all are doing well, are keeping safe and all that good stuff. Last video I recorded, I was in Shags in Taita. Currently I'm in Mombasa. Kuna joto manze kai. But yo, I think tomorrow I'll take you guys with me. You guys who are going to come with me to school. Do you wait? I know you're eager to see my school and what I do in that class. A class you will all admire to be. But I'll try and record while I'm in class. Yes. But I'll try and record the part I can of me going to school. Yes, I'll try, by the way, guys, I'll try and do that. I'll try and record for you the thing. I know you all are eager to see. I'll record. But I'm not promising. I'll try and carry you to school. I'm not promising. I'll try. And if I don't do that, you guys have to understand. I just want to give a trial. What else? I think that's it for today. That is it for today. I really hope and pray that next time I won't delete videos anyhowly. But I'm very sure that video didn't delete it, or I deleted it by mistake. Guys, no, oh my word. Am I complaining? Am I? No, you can't complain, and it's your work. You have to get yourself together. I don't know what I'm saying, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yes, you know, nowadays I'm trying to vlog. I'm trying to vlog. With it, tomorrow I'm having a show. Yeah, tomorrow I'm having a show. I need to prepare for that show. Yes, I need to prepare for that show, for tomorrow's show. I'll be having a show which will be aired to the whole school. Yes. Tomorrow I'm going to have a show. Whee! I'll also insert a clip I did. I think it was I think it was kind of advertising the school in the media department. I'll also insert that clip, don't worry. But yes, tomorrow I'm having a show. I'll try and vlog that part a little for you guys to see. And I think, oh guys, let's catch up tomorrow. I don't know what I'm saying today. Let's catch up tomorrow, okay? Okay, my people, see you all tomorrow.
Menyoa tu yote.
Menyoa tu yote. Mbona? Yenye hujanizoea utanizoea tu. Kwa celebrity nani kujitolea.
So we are saying do not do what? Do not promise what you cannot deliver. That is about the what? It is
About the way.
now it is related to the graphic clickbait headline. So
Hiyo namba tu wanaongeza. Hiyo namba kama ninajua wanaongeza.
Sasa hapo leo ndio umesema.
Hiyo namba
ndio wanaongeza.
Lakini corona
Namba najua.
Hiyo namba wanaongeza. Okay. Hiyo namba sidhani. Maana
ndio kwa ukasema hali.
Member alipima leo.
Unataka kuniambia kina nani wanaingiaga tu show yao hivi bila kupanga chochote? Kuna kitu. Kwani nime? Unaonaje simu yangu wewe? Kai. Sifanye.
Gani hamna corona dogo. Huyu alipatwa na ugonjwa mwingine madaktari wakasema ana corona.
Sasa mletero kazi.
Guys, it is another day. Yes. Okay. Today is on Friday. I'm going to school. That's why guys, I'm about to get late. It's 7:35 and I'm supposed to be in class at 8. Na bado sijafika hata kwa stage kuboard matatu. Hey. And I'm going to be late. But I know yesterday I left you hanging. Here I am. Siwezi wacha hanging. Siwezi wacha. I have to. Today my schedule or my day is so simple. I'm just going to school. After school I go pick a fundi. He comes and repairs our chairs. Yes, I'm going to pick a fundi. He comes, repair our chairs, then relax. That's basically my day. Then what else? Nothing important, but when nikipata kitu ya kuwavlogia on the way, I'll do so. Yes, I'll do so when I get something on the way. Or maybe I'll try. Yesterday I said I'll try, and by the day I did try. I did try because I captured for you my school environment. Kai. Yani, for real, ukiwa unasoma kwa school environment kama hiyo, ni nini ingine unataka badala? Si pass, just pass my friend. Environment like that. Guy, full of I don't know whatever. In my class, a class like that. What else do you want? Someone upite. But you guys, I'll catch you later. Maybe in school or I don't know, but I'll catch you later. I guess maybe in school. Do you want to see my outfit? I'm just having a normal top and a tight. Okay, let me see. And a tight, and some Jesus shoes. Kidding, no Jesus shoes. See you later, guys. later during the day, and it's 12, yes, 12:30, I guess. Yes, I'm back from school. As is, yeah, today I have really tried and captured for you my, is it my ride to school. I've tried and captured that. Pardon the toothbrushes there. And now, after school, I went to Chicken Inn and ate my chips and chicken. I've captured that for you too. You know, let me not say it. I've captured that for you, and I think it's about time that I wrap this vlog up, because I think it's just here and there, but at least you can have a clue of what my day looks like, or yeah, what my day looks like in school. I really hope you'll enjoy this vlog. Maze, I'm just trying. I'm not that perfect. I hope, but with time, I will improve. I'm very sure of that. With time, I'll improve. I'm sorry if I'm talking a bit low, if my voice is a bit low. I don't know why, but I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, guy. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. We are stuck at 49 subscribers. Can't we just get at 60? Let's do that. Subscribe to my channel, share, and comment. I'll see you in the next vlog. Yes. Bye guys. Bye bye.